Ngay samlo jik tang na gao lai di kichung bo shira thong do karshina na ting sang kalorta. You know what I'm trying to say. But sometimes ni nang la de di ra bor che do rokpa takpa chamgi mara kyunyum do ani takpa da chamgo mari but ngaram ni nang de ko chame shara shara go mera ya. But sometimes gauro ina ya chilo nyam do kalaro sa do time to spend chi this chick it's nice but unfortunately I don't have a man and honestly I'm not looking at right now at this moment in my life because I feel like most of the time was oh boyfriend mena yang they feel down or something like oh I don't have a man, I don't have someone to love me and do some good but but things my mind has totally changed. I feel like it's really good to have your own time, alone time where you can just be on your own, see what you like, see what you don't like, see what needs to change in your life and what needs to leave your life. Okay, dingi samna kogidra ani yeah, having a boyfriend is not a flex, having a husband is not a flex. Okay, nowadays everybody's cheating, everybody's a cheater. You know that just they have a husband, they're like, oh my husband, this, that, what a boyfriend you what a husband you maybe something's wrong with her, maybe she's this, she's that. No, nothing is wrong with me. I think I know my worth and I love my peace and I love my alone time. So I am not ready to compromise that yet until I find the right guy. Oh, yeah, people might think that, but it's not true. I honestly don't want anybody who will stress me out and who will not make me happy. First of all, I know that happiness you should find in yourself, within yourself. Okay, like nobody can make you happy if you're not happy. You can have the man and you can have a good job, but nothing will satisfy you. You'll always feel like something is missing, which is love for yourself. That's what missing. So what I'm thinking is things like that. Oh, the 부모디스틱 로 춤부로 쳐디고 싱글로 데라 몰타 푸라기 유서 마레로다 아니 부모기 outside Tibetan community la dichina 몰타 푸라야 마레 페버 푸라야 마레 dichini 아니 뭐 롱바 시바 푸츠리로다. Oh my god, like please give me a break. Do not say shit like that nonsense. Okay, if you're in Canada, you're not in Gagar anymore. Okay? Gagar laina also the community dola dichi because you don't see anybody else, right? Just Indian people and Tibetan people, so they tend to get together and stuff like that. After coming to Canada and pugashi they're like they're born here and chinju legiro ina ani peba amaduzrida. Ane di peba ramena parents they cry about it, they feel so bad, they feel so sad about like oh ni pui Filipino pumunimdo gawichi do tinge pumugi pu dinyumdo gawichi do like they feel so sad and they feel like oh ni pumuya pumindu puya pumindu. No, you're in Canada, okay? They'll mi kari manju tuir, not just Tibetan people, there's white, black, Chinese, Korean, whatever. You cannot blame them. You're the one who brought them here. And obviously, like I myself being Tibetan, I would love to be with a Tibetan guy, but that's not something like oh dirang gore of Tibetan punyumdurang changsaje punyumduranga uche shemanga cheme in the Maria. So what I'm trying to say is that I'm not looking Pumu single ina don't think like purayo mare, something is wrong with her. That's absolutely wrong. Okay, maybe they just want to stay single. Maybe they just want to work and make money. Maybe they're done with men. Maybe they like women. Who knows, right? So don't judge people in that way. Yeah. Yeah, it's very strange. That's what I noticed about Tibetan people. And me personally, I'm not looking for anybody, but if it happens, happens. But I'm not here waiting for, oh, I need a Tibetan guy, I need a white guy, I need a black guy, or I need this, that, lameda. I'm just here not looking. If I meet somebody that I can have good chemistry with and understand each other, and like, like things like that, then I'm okay with it. And I'm sure my family will be okay with that, because end of the day, it's your happiness and you need to be happy. Nobody's guaranteed to stay with you, right? Everything is temporary, and if you find happiness in like someone outside your community, that's totally fine. But you know what I'm trying to say, right? But I'm not saying bad things though. Anyways, this is just my thought of the day.